Hello, fellow teachers. Well, Miss Hai asked me to create a really quickly video tutorial showing you how to create a Google Voice account. Google Voice is amazing. You can use the computer to make the phone calls and it will display a number on the parents and you know that many parents don't answer if the caller ID is not shown or is a block phone number and we want to reach the parents. But I don't want my parents to know my personal cell phone number or my home number. So I always use Google Voice and I'm going to show you how to get there. So, first of all, make sure you go to Google account and you are logged in. In this little waffle menu, when you click on it and download, go a little bit down, you will see all the different programs that you can access. And sometimes, because you haven't ever used it, it's not going to be there. So you have to click in more from Google. Once that takes you to here, you can actually type what you want. It's going to go over some tips, and it's up to you if you want to have all those tips given to you. If you scroll down, you will see all the products that Google provides: education, G Suite, Google News. I only want to show you, oops, my mistake. I only want to show you the Google Voice. You can go all the way down and it shows you all the apps, right? And you can see voice right there. It looks like a phone right there. Or when I was right here, let me just show you one more time. When I was here, if you click Tech and Talk, it shows you all the Text and Talk apps that they have, right? Again, the easiest one is to scroll all the way down and then click and says voice. Or simply as typing Google Voice in your browser, it will show up first choice. So now that we are there, I'm already having a number. So that's the only issue, that if you wanted to create a new account, you can just, when you create the account, it will ask you what number would you like to choose. It gives you like 10 different choices. Here's my cell phone number. Please don't share the video with anybody else because this is my cell phone number. But here is the number that will appear in the screen of the parents. I can change the number if I start receiving phone calls there that I don't want, or I can transfer that line to somebody else. I'm going to use it only in a computer, and I can link more than one number. Like I can link my phone number, my home, etc. I have it activated in a way that if somebody calls, the messages is going to be forwarded to my cell phone number, also my email, and outgoing calls is not going to show my caller ID, right? It's going to be automatically hidden, okay? Incoming calls will be directly to my computer or will be directed to my cell phone. Even if I answer in my cell phone, it will not show in their screens, right? I can leave a recording greeting like, hello parents, this is my voicemail, please leave a message, etc. And the parents will have to leave a message. What I like is that Google actually does a translation or a transcript of the phone call, and I can read the email and I can choose to return the phone call or return a text with the information also from Google Voice. And I do get notifications directly in my voice. I don't have to pay anything. It's totally free. It's money if you need to pay, if you need to call internationally. And there are a lot of privacy and terms of private terms. terms of service, but at the end of the day is very accessible. Anyway, I'm gonna close the settings now, and you can see it's showing us Miss Ramirez. These are the phone calls that I have done through here. The last one was a few days ago, March 5, that I made a phone call, and one of the parents left me a voicemail right here. Hope you are well. And when I click on it, it shows me like what the parents said. Is Susan, the mother of Christian, and I'm getting to be married, I have a baby, take a small bed from a school, some experience. Would you be willing to reference me? So at the end of the day, this was more like a spam phone call because I don't know any Susan or I'm a Christian, so I ignore it. But I do have phone calls from other parents, right? Like these parents said, Joe, who's this? Because I left a voicemail and I guess they didn't hear what I said in the voice, right? I call a parent and they say they couldn't talk right now. So I left a message with Tarahik Kagur. So you can see there the messages can be sent. Also voicemails can be left. Here is a voicemail from last year.
Hello, my name is Anastasia Goosey. I am Roxy Knowles' older sister. I have received a call from you today about a couple of minutes ago. Please call me back at 718-206-3485. Thank you.
So you can see by listening to the voicemail that the transcript is pretty accurate. I like it because I don't have to listen to the 18 seconds. In less than 5 seconds, I can see it's Roxy and I can call back. So that is really useful for me. I have deleted some phone calls because I don't want to show all my log in here. But I'm going to call somebody. I could call anybody by just dialing the phone number. So I could call my phone, I don't know, 311 I could call. I don't know who to call right now to demonstrate, but just dial the number, and when you click dial, it will dial the phone number. Now, I don't have, let's say if I call the school, so it's 718 937 4297, I believe. And if I call, you can hear the message.
The number you dialed is not in service.
Okay, so I dialed it wrong. And I'm gonna hang up now. But if it was a phone number, I could call them and testing out the usefulness of this. I cannot call my own self. That's the only thing. But let's see. I'm gonna call. No worries here. Worries. No, we know here. Never so here. No. Nothing. And it will die. I can leave a message. I can put it on hold. I can use the keypad to answer. And you can see it's beeping. And maybe my son answers and my son doesn't answer.
Hello?
Hi, it's me. I'm just testing a tool. You can hang up now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bye. So as you can see, he was worried because he doesn't know whose phone number is this, and he didn't say hello, mom, because he didn't identify my phone number as mom. Anyway, that's all there is to it. You can use headphones. You can change the head settings, and you can make as many phone calls as you want. You can decide to just leave a message or leave a voicemail and call your parents. And what I do is, because it keeps the record of all the phone calls that I've been doing, at the end, I will fill out the log that Miss High and Miss Woods requested for parent reaching. Anyway, have a good day, everybody.